Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1998 Hyundai Excel Sprint X3 hatch, stock reference number 5265. This shape runs from the 5th month 2096 through to the 5th month 2000. It has a G4 FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FK 1.5 litre double overhead cam 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left guard, has one dent and a slight fold on the front edge. Left front 13-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left manual door mirror. Left front door has multiple dents. Left rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Rear bumper cover has some grip tape on the top edge of it. Right hand tail light. Right rear 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has 6 small dents. Right guard has 3 small dents and a very slight fold on the front edge. Right manual door mirror and a right front 13-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window winder, black cloth interior, auto center console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, slide type, tape player, factory, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.